Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to fix iPhone stuck on black screen during a call. So whenever you are in a call, your iPhone screen goes to black, and if you tap on this power button or side button, your iPhone screen not opening or not working. Here's how to fix the problem. The first solution is you have to use a soft tissue or soft paper to gently clean your iPhone screen and your iPhone sensor. So clean your iPhone screen very carefully and your sensor at the top of your screen. Once it's successfully cleaned, now tap on this power button and check your iPhone screen turn on or not. And the second solution is you have to force restart your iPhone. To force restart your iPhone during a call, just press on volume up button for one time and volume down button for one time, and then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release your finger from the power button, and don't release your finger, and when you see the Apple icon, now you can release your finger from the power button, and you have successfully force restarted your iPhone. Now just wait until your iPhone turn on. Now unlock your iPhone with your passcode, and now go ahead and check the problem. And the next solution is you have to turn off reduce motion. To do that, go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down, tap on accessibility, tap on motion, and here if you see the reduce motion option is turned on, just disable reduce motion. And after following all of these solutions, hope any of the solution will fix the problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.